Hello children, in today's video we are going to start with redox reaction. It is the first chapter of your NCERT part 2 class 11th. So before starting with the redox reaction, first let me recall what is redox reaction. It is a combination of reduction and oxidation reaction. Both the reactions are complementary to each other. Whenever any substance is getting oxidized, another substance is always reduced at the same time, and vice versa. In other words, oxidation and reduction reactions always go hand in hand or side by side. So, further proceeding ahead, first let us begin with oxidation. So you have been undergoing this oxidation definition in class 10th also. So let us begin. Oxidation. First we'll start with the classical theory. Oxidation means addition of oxygen. You can see here oxygen is being added to sulfur, gives sulfur dioxide. Then addition of an electronegative element. Addition of an electronegative element. Removal of hydrogen. Hydrogen is getting removed from sulfur. Okay, now sulfur is independent. Removal of more electropositive element. More electropositive element is getting removed. Clear? Now, these are all four concepts as well as the examples with the classical theory explaining your oxidation process or oxidation reaction. Basically, if you go through this classical concept, oxidation is defined as a process which involves the addition of oxygen or any other electronegative element, or the process which involves the removal of hydrogen or any other electropositive element. Now, the moment we start with the modern concept says oxidation is loss of electron. That is, de-electronation takes place. This is what's happening after an electron is being lost. Means this metal is getting oxidized. Similarly, after oxidation, we have reduction. According to classical concept, what is reduction? Reduction is defined as the process which involves addition of hydrogen or any other electropositive element or removal of oxygen or any other electronegative element. So as you can see, reduction, this process of removal of oxygen is getting removed, then addition of hydrogen is being added here. Then you can see removal of any electronegative element. This element is getting removed. Addition of electropositive element. Again this copper is being added. Now according to the modern concept, let's see the modern concept also. The gain of electron, that is electronation, it has gained 2 electrons, does the process of reduction. So basically what we have seen, if we go through the modern concept, that oxidation and reduction is basically a transfer of electron, whereas in oxidation there is a loss and in reduction there is a gain of electron. Now this was all about the oxidation and reduction. So in any chemical reaction, we say it's a redox reaction. Why? Because the number of gained electron should always be equal to the number of electrons lost. As I said earlier, that redox reaction or oxidation or reduction, they go parallel, hand in hand, and it's basically nothing but a transfer of electron. So one more term I would like to explain it here. Oxidant are the substance which can accept electron, and reductant are the substance which can donate electron. So in a redox reaction, oxidant is reduced by accepting electron and reductant is oxidized by losing electron. Is it clear till oxidation and reduction? Now, as I already explained you that oxidation and reduction go hand in hand, are complementary to each other. So, in any redox reaction, we write it in two parts, that is the oxidation part and the reduction part, which we name it as oxidation half and reduction half. Like you can see here in a chemical reaction, this is oxidation half where magnesium is removing electron, means is undergoing oxidation. Reduction half, oxygen is taking the electrons, is undergoing reduction. So basically there's a trick, oil, rig. Oil is oxidation is lost or lose. Rig means reduction is gain. Clear? Now children, what happens? All these oxidation and reduction only take place in the presence of some agent. Like we have some ticket agent or insurance agent. We never go for doing insurance on our own. Neither we book our tickets on our own. We usually for booking tickets we have respective ticket agents, and for insurance we have insurance agent. Means there is someone who is helping us to do all these things. Similarly, there are agents who are helping in reduction and oxidation, means they are the agents who are helping in causing oxidation and reduction. So oxidizing agent means they carry oxidation and they themselves get reduced, while reducing agent, they carry reduction and itself gets oxidized. Children, the main motive for going through this chapter and this chapter being included in your class 11 syllabus is this chapter will help you in understanding the major concepts of electrochemistry, which is a part of class 12 syllabus. So I'll again repeat, oxidizing agent means he is an agent who carries oxidation but itself gets reduced, while reducing agent is an agent who carries oxidation but itself gets oxidized. So we have been studying this oxidation reduction. Oxidation reduction means transfer of electron, gain of electron, loss of electron, etc., etc. Basically what it is, it's a charge. It's a charge on any atom. This charge on any atom is represented or shown by a number. Like here you can see this charge is being shown by number. Here also by number. So charge is nothing but basically number which shows there how much or how many electrons are being transferred. So if there is increase in number, then oxidation has taken place in that atom. And if there is decrease in number, that means reduction has taken place in that atom or element. Hence, we can say that oxidation number or oxidation is defined as the charge on an atom. So, oxidation number is also known as oxidation state, is basically defined as charge on any atom. So when we observe the charge on any atom, suppose you have an ionic compounds. Ionic compounds have real charges. Here there is a definite transfer of electron takes place. But the covalent compounds have imaginary charges. Means only for the sake of completing the reaction they develop a charge, they will develop a pole, and later on they will combine again. So ionic compounds have real charge and covalent compound have imaginary charges. So basically oxidation number, there is a shift of electron, and oxidation number of any element is defined as the charge which an atom of the element has in its ion or appears to have when present in the combined state with other atom. So oxidation number is also known as oxidation state. I hope you have understood this oxidation reduction, oxidizing agent, reducing agent, oxidants and reductants, and oxidation number. So in the next video we'll be studying more about oxidation number and also the rules for assigning oxidation number. Till then, take care, stay positive, work hard. Thank you and have a nice day.